We all had one of those days. No, not the day where everything goes wrong, where you wake up from the wrong side of the bed, you trip over your pet, you took the wrong bag to work or school, you got caught in the rain, the car broke down. Not that those days. It's days that everything seemed to be alright. You feel healthy physically, but yet at the same time you don't feel well emotionally, mentally, like something is not right. Like you feel very moody. Like everybody that you interact with, you just don't feel like chatting, you just don't feel like answering politely. Do you have one of those days? And you might feel very surprised because there wasn't any incident that might have led to this behavior. For example, the previous day you might have had a very good day, maybe a celebration. The night went well. You had a good night's rest, your 8 or 9 hours of sleep. Everything was as perfect as can be to have you prepare for a wonderful day. But yet, when you woke up, you started feeling, hey, something is not right. You did your regular routine as per normal, yeah, that's fine. But then, when someone started chatting with you or having a conversation, just feel, hey, something's not right. Like everything is going, it's not. I don't feel like chatting. Ever happened to you? Like you just can't pinpoint what exactly that is that you don't want to interact and chat with others or even do what others want you to do, or maybe to even carry on with what you like doing. For example, maybe you enjoy your walks to work or to school, but that particular day, even after your half an hour or an hour walk, at the end of the walk, you usually feel better, but this time you still feel cranky. If someone were to ask you something, you say, you're not listening to me, this is not what I want, and you snap. Why does this happen? You seem okay. You feel like everything is going well. You did not have any problem, any arguments on that day. So what can it be? It could be various factors. One of the factors could be plenty of stress that has been built up over a period of time, where suddenly it comes at a day where you're just doing a regular routine. So it just comes over a period of, it's just an accumulation of stresses over a period of time that you thought you might have released with your regular routine, exercise program, watching your favorite movie, or chit-chatting with your loved ones, but it has not been released. Or it could be a grudge, it could be anger issues, with grief. You might not have fully released that. So it comes up suddenly on any day. You'll be wondering, oh, this is quite unusual. There's no incident that triggered it. So it can pop up if you do not release your stress from the stresses appropriately. So what can you do if you happen to have one of these days that you just don't feel like interacting with anyone, just want to be left alone? One of those moody, cranky days. Should you just take the day off from work or from school and hide yourself in your room for the entire day and wait for the next day? Not right. Doesn't seem a very suitable, appropriate action to take. So what can you do? Even after your walk, after an exercise program, you still feel the same. My advice is to do 3 things at a go. Number 1, it could be an exercise program. Number 2, do something that makes you feel happy. It could be just helping somebody or just an action that normally makes you feel good. It could be like just maybe donating to somebody that you always chat with. So that particular day, you might not want to chat with the person, but you just donate it as per usual. So you get that good feeling there. Or it could be that you would like to actually ride your bike or park your car in a certain position, certain place. Just do that. That second, make you feel good. And the third thing you want is to get the endorphins, that your good chemicals in your body flowing a little bit. How you do that? You can help by doing something that makes you laugh. So you can watch a short 2-minute funny clip online, read a joke, or you can just generally just smile. Like if you are in front of the mirror after brushing your teeth, just smile a little bit. Look in the mirror. Okay, everything is good. So you realize it's like a fake it until you make it kind of thing. So the mind cannot distinguish between a fake smile and like a real smile. So if you put that action from year to year, grinning, telling your mind that you're smiling and you're laughing really, as but even though it's just a pretend action. So you can do that. Smile, brushing your teeth, just for 30 seconds. Get the endorphins flowing. So you try three of it at one go. So you're going to have your exercise program, your movement. Secondly, help someone, make you feel good. And thirdly, have your smile ready. And after that, expose yourself to interaction with people again. How you feel? Still don't feel good? Repeat the steps again. Do a little bit of exercise. How much exercise should you do? Even like a 10-minute movement up and down or stretching should be fine as well. Get the blood to circulate well. It's the physical part and the mental part later. Helping others to feel good and your smile. So try this out. On days that you have your moody or cranky days, don't worry. Things will get better. Have yourself a great day. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.